everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Merline, and today I'm going to make one of my favorite dishes, soup Joumou or pumpkin soup. When Haitians finally succeeded winning their independence on January 1st, 1804, you can imagine their joy, now free to eat the delicious food they had grown and prepared themselves. Now let's get cooking and let's celebrate freedom. It is my most incredible honor to share this soup Joumou with you and to bring it to your table. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Bon appetit! This dish is so delicious, packed with fresh ingredients, and has a lot of nutrition. As a Haitian, this soup means more to us than a delightful dish. Growing up, my family made soup Joumou and shared bowls and jars of it with neighbors and friends. It was a thing to do. We call it soup liberté, which translates to freedom soup. Interesting fact, for centuries prior to independence, enslaved people prepared it for those who enslaved them, but they themselves were not allowed to eat it. The First Lady of independent Haiti was a powerful freedom fighter. Marie-Claire Heureuse started the tradition of sharing soup Joumou to celebrate collective liberation, which is ongoing and important even today. We enjoy it at any time of the year and any day for breakfast, appetizers, lunch, or dinner. So I'm forever grateful to our ancestors, Haitian freedom fighters, and all those in America and worldwide who are still fighting for collective freedom. When we eat this soup, it is our way of saying thank you. It's also a reminder to us all that everyone deserves freedom. So to make the pumpkin soup, the first and very important ingredient of this soup is the Joumou, or we can call it squash. So we have a beautiful piece here that's all the way from Haiti. So I already cut a piece and boil it and blend it in the blender. And it's give me this beautiful and delicious puree. So now I have a few more stuff that I wanna put in this soup. I have some pasta boiling here. And then I have also some cabbage already shredded and a few other vegetables like carrots, potatoes, turnips, and also I'm gonna add at the end to give it a little bit crunchy, some pieces of celery. And as garnishes, I'm gonna put some of the celery leaves on it. So it's gonna take a few minutes and it's gonna keep simmering. And this is how we will get a wonderful, delicious pumpkin soup. So my pasta is ready. I'm gonna get it out of the water and put it in this bowl so it doesn't overcook. And from that same water, I'm adding pieces of vegetables. This is potatoes and turnips. They're already cut and washed, and carrots. And I'm gonna let that simmer a little bit. We'll keep the process going. So now this is boiling. I'm going to add pieces of cabbage in there in that same water. And it's gonna take maybe 2 to 3 minutes to soften it a little bit. Just add a few more. So let's give it 2 minutes to soften a little bit. So this is already softened enough and almost ready. I'm going to add small pieces of celery to that same pot and let it boil just for a little bit. And then I would add all the ingredients together in a few minutes. So it's all ready now. The next thing to do is just put it in the pumpkin puree and mix it all up. And I'm gonna add all the vegetable in the water that's cooking because it's all healthy. And we'll give it a stir. It smells so good. And now also I'm going to add my cooked pasta. I'm also going to add my Scotch bonnet pepper. and a tiny little piece of butter, but you don't have to. It's very optional. And the last thing, I'm gonna add just a little bit of lime. I'm also adding some pieces of celery. I'm gonna let it simmer just for a few minutes and it will be ready to serve. So it looks like this is done simmering and it looks really good and smells delicious. But I can't finish it without adding my secret, very secret ingredients. I'm gonna grab my green Merline's Original Medium and I'm gonna add just one drop. Just one drop to it. And people can add more if they want more, but for me this is just to have a little bit of it. So now this is good, looks really good. So I'm going to dish myself a plate and I'm so excited. It smells so good. I'll get myself a piece of carrots. Also gonna add just a little bit of celery for garnishes. Ooh, the moment that I've been waiting for. This is so delicious. It tastes just like home. And I'm so happy to share this with you. And I'm gonna dish a big bowl and share it with my family. I hope you enjoyed this soup as much as I do. For more recipes like this, please follow us on social media at Merline's Gourmet and also visit merlines.com. Bon appetit.